looks like we're gonna start this YouTube video in some traffic here. Let's shift up a little bit, quiet this bike down. So for starters, I figured I'd start up a YouTube channel. I'd love just making videos of the bike, being my own personal photographer and whatnot. So I figured, why not go ahead and just start posting on social media more, since I already have all the equipment, it seems like, for the most part. You know, PC, GoPro, Insta360. I figured, why not just go ahead and start making these videos and whatnot. There go the police officer right there. Video, I figured I'd go ahead and just wash up the bike, show y'all what we're on here. We're on a 2008 GSXR 1000, fairly stock for the most part, just has an exhaust, you know, a couple little extra add-ons such as levers, grips, different mirrors, tail tidy, homemade tail tidy at that. This bike actually used to be yellow. I'll throw up a picture for y'all. But yeah, so it used to be yellow. The story on... Hold up, we're getting a call here. Hello? Yeah. Made the last call over the phone, baby. Got that man Morgan Wallen preaching in my ear right now. What the hell am I doing? Forgot I was on a motorcycle there for a second. Let's see. Over here looks a little bit more dry. Not that it really matters. Got that little luggage bag right here. Pretty much just zip tied on there, but it's good for these little bike washes or whatnot. My cover rubbing off on there. Damn, that bitch is loud as hell. Could definitely be a little bit louder though. Use a little tune. Hell yeah. Got the shorty CRGs, chrome wheels, tires. I'm running Power 5, Michelin Power 5s, and honestly I like them for the most part. Hell yeah, give me that head nod. I like them for the most part. I used them on the tail of the Dragon a couple times, two times this year. But you know, once you go to the tail of the Dragon, you're fucking going up and down more than one time. Hell yeah. Oh, we need to get some fuel after this. That bitch sound good. Anyways, let's just get this thing washed up.
Reimagined.
Got the bike all washed. Let's go hit up a spot, get some more photos for Instagram, and we need some fuel. Can't forget about that fuel. Got that big old dually on some American Forces. Platy all blacked out. That shit's clean. Pop this visor open while we wait. There you go. Get up with the flow of traffic here. Let's go. Come on now. I had an awesome interaction with the owner of that car wash right there. He's owned quite a few sport bikes. He said he's on a Z1000 at the moment. He said he's on his second one of those. So he's had an R1, ZX10, both of the Z1000s. It's always awesome when you get to talk to another person with the same hobby as you. Car wash is right on the water over here. Hopefully there's no smudges on the screen. I can never really tell. Especially while riding, you can't tell at all. Like, what the hell? I can't see it at all. It's like trying to look at your own eyes. Don't worry, girl. You're gonna get you some fuel soon. Not from there, though. Get you some fuel up here, right here at Sefco. See that parking. Not too shabby. On that line though. We'll get it right here. Bruh. Oops. Alright. $11.95.
Oh!
Alright, let's get going. What you doing there, buddy? Waiting on somebody? Yes, sir. They got on helmets. The one dude got on that fucking shell on top of his head, but nah, that shit don't do nothing either. At least his girl had on a full face. I know a spot I've never taken photos before. We'll try it out. Click into neutral, let that bit coast. Never been down this little road. Just watch this bit. Oh, cop just pulled over the guy behind me. That was crazy. I didn't even notice. Dang. Let me cut this off for them fishers. And that's how you do it. Oh yeah, that's a shot. I think we can back her up a little more. Get these gloves off. Oh yes, sir. Alright, I'll get back to y'all after I take a couple photos of this. You can check that out on Instagram, by the way, at AverageSquid. Wreck. Yep. Look at this right here. We're gonna sit around and see what happened there. It looked like car was cutting across. The other one whacked him in the side. We done caught up to the that Hummer though. Oh, 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 oh. You don't wanna fall in love. Look at that thing. What's the bottom of her look like? EV. Hummer EV, man. That shit looks dope though. I like the new tailgates on the new GMCs. Some Silverados got them as well. I really like those. I like the body on that thing though. Looks super aggressive. I'm going. Had to rev it for that boy. Yes, sir. Walking home from the school, got a little rev. Gotta do it for the next generation. Although I'm part of the next generation. Not very old. How much battery life we got left on the GoPro. So if it dies, that's the end of the video, I assume.